So how do you stop text messages from showing up on your lock screen on an iPhone? Let's get started. Let me show you how you can fix it. If this is your first time on this channel on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Inside of your main settings app, and at the bottom of the page, we have the All Apps view. And from those, I want you to locate your text messages. So go to the M, find messages, and click on notifications. So naturally, you can enable them or disable them or, enable the sounds or whatever. But the important part is the showing of previews. So preview is, the name suggests, it's like a little preview of the content of the message, and perhaps you don't want this to be visible. So on the lock screen or anywhere else, and there are three options: always, when unlocked, or never. So always means always, right? When unlocked means that after you scan your face or type in your passcode, then you'll be able to see the content of the message. But before that, it's just gonna appear like a blank notification. And a never just means that you have to physically click on it and open it up to read the message. No preview available whatsoever. So that's the option that you get to pick from, right? You can also see that for me, it says default for the when unlocked setting. And that is because when I go to the main settings page and go to notifications, I have the show previews settings, but for all apps. So previously we changed it for messages only, but here you can see that we get to decide how it's going to look or if the previews are going to be visible for every single notification on the iPhone. So that's how you can change it for all apps. So let me know if we managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up if it works for you. Subscribe for more tutorials so you do not miss anything important, and I'll see you later.